Hi guys, welcome to Joyful Creations. Our video tutorial for today is edible art for kids using pancakes. These are the ingredients that we need: sprinkles, cookie cutter, whipped cream, and pancakes. Isi-shape natin siya ganyan. Bali, isi-shape lang natin yung round pancakes using the cookie cutter. So we have different shapes. So ilalapat lang natin siya dyan. And then press it with your hands. Okay? Apply pressure and then just shape it at the back of the cutter. So this is our flower-shaped pancake. Looks easy, huh? Okay, we're on to the next. We're gonna use this egg shape. Make sure it fits. Press it. And then shape it at the back again. Okay? Huwag niyong itatapon yung leftover kasi pwede pa naman yung kainin. Ayan na siya. Yung round pancake, okay din lang kahit walang cookie cutter. Pwede nyo pa rin siyang i-design. Okay, we're gonna go for applying our whipped cream on top of our shaped pancake. So, kahit anong whipped cream brand, pwede. Tapos, kailangan nyo ng spoon or forks or spatula para ipang-apply yung whipped cream. Katulad nito. So, kids, have fun while you're doing this. You can do any decorations, any shape you like. As long as you're having fun, it doesn't matter. Let's just continuously apply the whipped cream all over our egg-shaped pancake. The number of pancakes na gagamitin nyo depende sa kids na magpa-participate dito. So if you don't have the instruction on how to make pancake, I will attach the link below para sa video tutorial na ginawa ko previously for making fluffy pancake. Nga pala guys, before putting the whipped cream, make sure na na-cool down na yung pancake para wag ma-melt yung whipped cream. Put na natin yung sprinkles. Any design will do. Imagination is the limit, kids. So you can use different sprinkles, color, textures, forms, and then sugar sprinkles. Nilagay ko siya sa mga maliliit na container yung sprinkles para wag marumihan yung sprinkles na nasa container natin. So pwede pa natin siyang i-save for future projects with the kids. So are you kids having fun? Alright, so we did this before with my kid, Jewel. Pero inano lang namin siya, shinape lang namin ng circle, gumawa kami ng Mickey Mouse pancake. Kasi wala kaming cookie cutter. So this one, continue lang nating ilagay yung whipped cream and then let's put yung decoration na sprinkle. This is like a bunny. I'm actually using a spring or an Easter cookie cutter. Yan. So you can put any decoration you like, kids. If you don't have whipped cream, you can use icing or glazed. Anything that will make the sprinkles stick to the pancake will be okay. You can put different colors if you like. You can also make like a colored glazed, and then you can put it on your rabbits, and your flowers, and your eggs, or any shape of your pancakes that you already craved or carved. Okay? So we're almost done. We'll see. See how cute they are? I actually made 2 batches. This is the first one. And that's the next one. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel, Joyful Creation. Have a good day.